Last year we sold around 474 vehicles, taking the cumulative sale for the brand till date to around 1600 vehicles. We have also been rated as #1 in customer satisfaction by Audi India on a continuous basis for the last 6 years, and we would like to thank all the customers for their continued support, which could make this happen. Most of you will be aware, as a group, we have also created a facility in Visakhapatnam, and Audi now also has an address in Visakhapatnam. So talking about the new A8 Air, it has a wide array of features and unparalleled luxury. First, about the engine, it is available in many engine configurations, including both petrol and diesel options. The diesel option boasts of 4.2 liter diesel option boasts of 385 horsepower. It is the most powerful diesel engine option available to the customers. The petrol engine does a 0 to 100 in a mere 4.6 seconds, which is extremely powerful. In terms of transmission, we have the 8-speed transmission Tiptronic gearbox available. Once again, Audi A8 is only sedan in its segment which offers Quattro, the 4-wheel drive technology of Audi, for all its engine platforms. In terms of design, I am saying the exterior design, the Audi A8 has undergone the single largest update in its history. In terms of the looks of the engine hood has been changed, the single frame grille and the bumper, they are even more sculptured now, giving it an overall phenomenal look. Audi exclusive, there are Audi exclusives for customers to customize their vehicle. So Audi exclusive in terms of the engine platform, in terms of their painting style, in terms of the interiors, in terms of lot of other, this thing is probably the most comprehensive customization program with almost infinite options. You can choose from over 100 customized paints to creating your own paint in terms of your exterior. You have around 25 to 30 interior leather colors. You can even choose the threads. You can also say that this is the type of threading I want on the seats. So the options to customize the vehicle is actually phenomenal, and particularly for a car connoisseur, this is something which he looks forward to. I think all of you are aware Audi pioneered the LED technology, and it was a very big success for Audi, and most of the competitors borrowed from Audi this technology. Audi once again has one more very large innovation, the Audi Matrix LED headlight, and this is being introduced for the first time on the Audi A8 L. What it does is it provides maximum illumination for all, phenomenal view even in the night, far better than what was previously available. It has a very unique technology where if there is a road crosser or the opposite side, if there is somebody coming through in a car, it automatically dims the light, and it has over 1 billion combinations. So it may be a car coming from the opposite side, it may be a walker, passerby, it may be anybody. Only that area of the road is the light is dimmed so that it does not hit him in the eye, and he continues to be comfortable. So this is like a very, very large innovation which Audi has done, and this is being introduced for the first time through the A8L. What it also does is the light center shifts in conjunction with the navigation. So even before we know that there is a turn coming, if the vehicle is connected to navigation, it automatically the lights start reflecting, making the road, the curve ahead of you very, very clear. So it is actually very, very convenient for the customer. Apart from this, it has many other features, that is the park assist, the 360-degree camera view, the automatic, the heads-up display, the Audi wireless internet, the rear seat executive package, the Bangalore system, and so on. In terms of price point, the price of the vehicle starts from 1.15 crore rupees ex-showroom Hyderabad.